game, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, I know a lot of y'all coming crazy for me in the comments for this, but this video was super long ago, about like 8 months ago when I had 360s before I scalped my waves to go 540s. How to wash your waves. Alright, let me see what you got. You double compressing for what? For what? You're not even wolfing. Giving yourself a headache for what, bro? Apply conditioner. Conditioner? I ain't even see no lather when you put the shampoo in. Leaving what the? What? I ain't liking for part.
Alright, so I'm looking at this, right? I see great connections, great everything, but then when we go to the left side, it's a big old fault right there. It's a big old fault right here. It's a big old fault right there. So I just going to be a B minus, bro. Keep working. Yo, that just look like the eye of the storm right there, bro. We about to have a tsunami, but if I was to have to rate this from A to F, it's going to have to be a B minus, bro. Got mad forks on your jump. You spinning though, but them forks gotta go if you want an A.
Alright, so how to get waves in 10 steps? Alright, let's see. Step 1, rinse hair. Rinse. Apply shampoo, any kind. Okay. You're just doing the washing style. You're not getting waves. You're washing your waves, okay? Apply shampoo. What's next? Okay, great lather. How you get your lather to be that great on the first wash? Rinse shampoo out. Okay, apply more shampoo to get the dirt out. I mean, the dirt was supposed to be taken out by the first wash, not the second wash. The second wash, your hair's already clean, so rinse the shampoo out and apply conditioner. Bro, you ain't even brush. You ain't even brush your hair. How you gonna get waves like that, bro? Rinse out the... You gonna add shampoo and after you done put the conditioner? What's the point? What's the point?
Oh my goodness. And more than damn it. Yo, my boy's spinning. That's an A plus, bro. A plus. And you got the 360 merch brush, bro. Go cop that. That's tough.
And you know, brush your waves back. If you're happy and you know, brush your waves back. If you're happy and you know, when you really want to show, if you're happy and you know that you're
Curls to waves in 60 seconds. I don't know. He might have a chance. We'll see. Let's see. Okay. Why you still got your AirPods in though, bro? You gonna get electrified. That's how you say it, right? Electrification-fied. If you get that junk wet. Okay, he took him out. You need more lather than that, bro. You definitely need a lot more than that. Like a lot more. Alright? If you want your hair to lay down the way you want. It's coming in. Add more shampoo, bro. It's gonna help. Trust me. Got a little mushroom top. Okay. Got a little mushroom top going on. Is that silk or cotton? It look like a little silky. Alright. Let me see the results, boy. Let me see the results. I'm looking at the vid. It's about to end. Oh, he showed it. They fire. They in. Wave check. Yo, y'all be taking entirely too long to unrag, bro. Like, have the do-rag already untied. Just take it off. You feel me? Like, it'll be a lot faster. And you got another one on? Bruh. It's been 30 seconds already. If you're not spinning, I'm about to hike on you, bro. If you're not spinning, if I see any type of forks, because only the elite people could waste my time like this. You feel me? I got other videos to react to. And you taking your time with the boo-boo cap to take it off? Okay, I'm about to. I ain't even gonna say nothing. You took entirely too long to be showing me this on your head, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, because I ain't gonna say nothing. You got a lot of work to do, though. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, we got a wave check. You see that on rag? Ooh. Wait a minute. Well, I don't see no forks. Hold up, turn the other way. I think I saw one before you turn. Keep turning, turn. Yeah, there's one right there. Break that fork. How we groom my dog's waves? Waves? Oh, snap. That dog look wavy and silky, bro. How y'all put the do-rag on him, though? Bro, she doing a washing style for the dog. Do you brush him while you have the soap on? That's crazy. Don't go against the waves, of course. That's crazy. I really see no forks on that dog, bro. Great definition, great silkiness, great everything, bro. Yo, give that dog about 2-3 months, yo. It's gonna be spinning. Just gonna look better than Sir Cruz, yo. Better than me. Shit. Sir Cruz with the sharp lineup and everything, bro. That fresh shape up, fresh taper, crispy waves. You feel me? Crispy waves, crispy lineup. This gotta be old, though, because that's his 360 days, man. He's 720 Cruz now. Yo, you gotta be elite to be taking a knee when you know, you feel me? You feel me? You gotta be elite. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Yo, that's tough. Bro, spinning, bro. Look at the eye of the hurricane, bro. I see a couple forks up there that you gotta break, though, bro. And one back there, son. You spinning, but you got mad forks, bro. Look at all them forks, yo. He got an end. Yo, what am I looking at right now, bro? All I see is forks and ripples, bro. Bro. That's a D. That's, you lucky I ain't giving you, that's a D right there, bro. You got a lot. Washington style updated. Alright, y'all, so look. Right before I clicked on this duet, I read his caption and said, Life for part 2. So I already know he gonna do a part 2. Alright, I'm already mad coming into this video. So I better see great lather like I'm seeing now. And I better see everything looking dope leading to a part 2, because I want to see a part 2. And if the part 2 is disappointing, I'm gonna have to, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hey, everything looking dope so far. I love that lather. I love that lather. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I ain't never seen nobody wash their hair with a chain on, though. Ooh, I want to see part 2. I want to see part 2. Hey, man, big shout out to Devell Perry for putting me on this. I'm about to react to this right now. First off, man, that ain't gonna work for me. Have you seen my hairline? My jungle was like an M, alright? Y'all know what my hairline look like. That's not gonna work for me, alright? Talking about some lockdown tip for the boys. Lockdown tip for the boys except 360 juice, because that ain't gonna work for me. It might work for the front part, but when it comes to the corners, it ain't gonna reach there, buddy. Good try. Alright, so yeah, that's probably gonna work for you, but not for me. Alright? And he got some Balenciaga belt on. Like, what are you doing, bro?
How they get away with long hair? Absolutely not. That's not enough loud. That's really your hair there. No, you gotta put in more work in that, buddy. Man, go to sleep. Alright, y'all. This is part 2 of the washing style. You feel me? Part 2. He adding. What is that? He adding shampoo to the do-rag? What you doing? What? Did you rinse your hair out? What you just do? What? Whoa, that's crazy, bro. One of the best freaking straight hair waves I've seen in a minute, bro. His way spinning, no forks, no nothing. My man spinning so hard they want him to run for president, yo. This is A+ right here, bro. A+, man. Oh, they been bugging you about a wave check? Hey, man, they been doing the same thing for me too, man. But if you're not spinning, I'm gonna have to, let's see. You're taking too long to take that do-rag off, man. You only take so long if you spinning. Amaze me. I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead. Bruh! Put that do-rag back on. That's a baby, yo. That baby probably came out What the heck? Yo. I know they ain't brushing that baby hair with that hard brush, man. That's crazy.
We're about to rate his waves from A through F, man. He's spinning. Definitely spinning. Crisp lineup and everything. I definitely was gonna give you an A, but that fork on that left side, boy, brought you down to a B. B+, alright? Keep working on that. Man, I've been trying to get waves on my beard for like 5 years now, bro. Mind you, I even have a beard 5 years ago. But yo, this man right here, he on a whole different level. Him and Wavy Beard. Alright, they on a different, look at that. Your wave's not locked in if you can't do this. Of course, this is the ultimate test right here. If your wave's not trained, we do this. If it don't come back, then you're not wavy, alright?